Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. Learn English easily, naturally, and with fun. Daily routines, real conversations, practical phrases for beginners. Subscribe now and join our Friendly English community.
Hello, my dear listener. Welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast. I am Sophia, and today I want to talk to you from the heart. I know life feels heavy sometimes. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel alone. Maybe you feel stuck. Or maybe you feel like you want to give up because nothing seems to work. If you feel this way, I want you to breathe for a moment. You are safe here. This is your quiet place. This is your friend's voice speaking to you with care. And today, we will learn English while also learning something even more important. How to stay strong when life is hard. This episode is about emotional resilience. This means the ability to stand up again, to stay calm, to keep going, even when life gives you stress, fear, or pain. So let us begin gently. Have you ever felt that life is just too much? That you want to run away from everything? That your mind is noisy, your heart is tired, and you feel confused? I understand. Many English learners also feel overwhelmed. Not only by English but by life. You want to improve, but you do not always have energy. You want to move forward, but you sometimes feel afraid. Maybe you tried something again and again, but the result did not change. Maybe you are waiting for good news. Maybe you are healing from something painful. I want you to know something. You are not weak. You are human. And life is not easy for anyone. Today we will learn simple English phrases and ideas that help you stay strong. We will learn step by step. I will speak slowly. I will give examples. I will help you practice. Step 1. Name your feeling. The first step is simple. Say how you feel. When you name your feeling, it becomes lighter. Examples. I feel sad today. I feel stressed. I feel lost. I feel tired in my mind. I feel scared about the future. When you say these words, you are honest. And when you are honest, healing begins. Step 2. Breathe and slow down. A calm mind helps you learn English better. A calm mind helps you make better choices. A calm mind helps you see solutions. Say to yourself, I can slow down. I can breathe. I do not need to rush. Step 3. One small step. When life feels heavy, big steps feel impossible. But one small step is always possible. Examples. I will study English for 5 minutes. I will take one deep breath. I will write one positive sentence. I will drink water. I will walk for 2 minutes. Small steps build strong lives. Step 4. Talk to yourself kindly. Your mind listens to your words. So speak with kindness. Examples. I am doing my best. I can try again. I am learning slowly, and that is okay. I am proud of myself for staying here. Step 5. Ask for support. You do not need to carry everything alone. Talk to a friend. Talk to a teacher. Talk to someone you trust. You can say, I need help. I need someone to listen. I need support right now. Asking for help is a sign of strength. Step 6. Remember that hard times are temporary. Nothing stays the same forever. Not happiness. Not sadness. not stress, not fear. Say to yourself, this moment will pass. I will grow from this. I am learning something important. Here are some real-life sentences you can use. Life feels difficult right now, but I know I can make it through. I am not giving up, even if today is hard. I am learning to stay calm. I am trying to trust myself. I am taking things one step at a time. Now, I want you to speak with me. Say these lines out loud, slowly. Repeat after me. I am strong even when I feel weak. I can breathe and stay calm. I can take one small step. I am doing my best. I will not give up. Better days are coming. I deserve peace. I deserve rest. I deserve kindness. I believe in myself. Here are 2 simple idioms related to strength. 1. Keep your chin up. Meaning, stay positive and confident even when things are hard. Example, you failed the test, but keep your chin up. You can try again. 2. Weather the storm. Meaning, survive a difficult time and stay strong. Example, life is tough right now, but you will weather the storm. A cultural tip. In English-speaking cultures, people often say short encouragement phrases like, "You've got this." "Hang in there." "I'm here for you." These phrases show support and emotional care. Here are some useful new words. 1. Resilience. Meaning, the ability to recover after something difficult. Example, she showed resilience after losing her job. 2. Overwhelmed. Meaning, feeling too much stress or emotion. Example, I feel overwhelmed by work. 3. Calm. Meaning, quiet and peaceful inside. Example, this music helps me feel calm. 4. Support. Meaning, help from someone who cares. Example, thank you for your support. 5. Strength. Meaning, power inside you to keep going. Example, you have more strength than you think. My friend, thank you for sharing this moment with me. I hope this episode helped your English and your heart. Remember something important. You are not alone. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are growing. You are trying. You are learning. And that is enough. Do not give up when life is hard. Hard moments shape you. Hard moments teach you. Hard moments turn you into someone stronger and wiser. If this episode touched your heart, please write in the comments, "I will keep going," or share how you are feeling today.
Listening to the Friendly English Podcast. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe.